Lord, show me the thing that I'm attached to the most right now. And we all struggle with human weakness. We're all living the pilgrim journey, so there's so many things which are attractive in this world, right? But right now, what's the one thing to which I'm attached the most? Could be a thing, could be a possession, could be a particular habit, a way of life, could be a particular relationship. And just be honest, just keep it real, right? There's a reason why you're attracted to this thing. Maybe it began with good intentions. Maybe I was simply trying to cope in the past. Maybe I was trying to navigate through a difficult wound. And maybe it kind of worked. There's a reason why I keep on going back to this well, right? But now, Lord, I realize that I want something more. I want to be more. I want to be brave. I want to be generous. And I realize that as much as I like this thing, I don't need it. And in fact, it's holding me back from the thing I want the most, because if I continue to cling to this thing, I will not be happy. I know that in my heart. So I got to come to grips with this thing. So even though I might like this thing, even though I might love this thing, I love you more.